Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to use the bleutrade API, because when I did this, I was new to APIs, and it was a huge hassle. So you're going to want to go to the forum, and then API development, and then basic PHP wrapper API functions. Now copy this, and paste it into your text editor. Now, you're going to want to make some slight modifications. Like, you will have to put in your API key and your API secret. I'll just show you how to do that. So, go to the help section, API, and then API keys, right here. Now, type in your password and Google Authenticator if you're using it. It will give you your API keys, except I'm not going to do this on camera because it will give full access to your account. Okay, so you're just going to want to add one last thing. We're going to put in the SSL verifier and set it to false. Now we're going to save it as api.php. Now we're going to create a new file. Now go include api.php. This will add everything that is in api.php to this file, so it'll be as if we're typing from here. Now we're going to call this getTicker function. You can see that it takes one parameter, which is market. So we're just going to put in the market we want to look at, like Bitcoin to Litecoin. On bleutrade you can put it either way around, but on most other sites they'll have some convention where you need to put it on one side or on the other side. So now type print R around it. This will make it so that it will print the information to the screen, basically. And you don't want to add the SSL verifier to the public API calls. Now just make sure these are capitalized. And now, go over here, set this to true. And do the same thing for make private API call. Just gonna clean this up, make it easy to work with. Now here, we're gonna type result. You notice that narrows it, that gets rid of the start. So now we're gonna type 0. And now we can choose which one of these we want. So I'll go with the ask price. Make sure you capitalize the first letter. And there's your ask price. Now, for private API calls, you're going to have to put in your API key and secret. So I'm just going to do that off camera. Okay, now that I've done that, we're going to pick one of these private API functions, like get balances. So I'm going to type get balances, and it looks like I've typed true incorrectly. So now that we've fixed that, it'll list the balances you have for all of the cryptocurrencies in your account. And you'll see I have nothing in here because I just created this account for the purposes of this video. So now if you want a single add a currency, just type balance instead of balances, and type in the code for whatever currency it is. In this case, Litecoin. And now you see we have Litecoin balance. Now over here you can sell, buy, get the candlesticks, or even market history. You can do anything you could on this site manually with this API. So just disclaimer, I am not affiliated with this exchange. A lot of them have gone bankrupt or taken everyone's money. This video is not investment advice. Use at your own risk. Okay.